Today we're going to be diving into 8 simple mods that you can do for your 4th generation Toyota Tacoma. These 8 simple mods completely level up your 4th generation Tacoma. All of them DIY friendly. From functional upgrades to features Toyota should have built in from the start, this is your ultimate 4th generation Tacoma simple mod list. Let's do this. Let's start with one you'll feel every day, the bed step. Toyota wants you to drop hundreds on their OEM solution. Amazon has a cheaper solution for the same thing for just under $100, but there's a problem. If you have the tow hooks installed for both the OEM and Amazon versions, you will have to remove this tow hook. But with this relocation bracket from 6 Element, you can have it. Be sure to subscribe. I have a detailed install video coming soon for the 6 Element relocation bracket and a new product to help out trail hunter owners. And if you want an even better bed step than OEM, that's next. This is an upgraded aluminum bed step from Amazon. One piece, way stronger than OEM. If you're loading gear, rooftop stuff, or overlanding, this one's a game changer. Now let's protect the outside of the truck, starting with something every Tacoma needs. Tacoma taillights are plastic and expensive, and they scratch if you even look at them wrong. These protective covers snap right on and save you from trail rash, tree branches, and loading and unloading damage, and even in the parking lot. Same deal with the mirrors. They stick out, they hit everything, and the 4th gen Tacoma mirrors aren't cheap. These quick clip-on guards give you protection without changing the look. Now we're getting into real trail gear, the stuff that matters when you actually use your truck. If you carry a high-lift jack, this solves the biggest problem. The handle always rattles, moves, or pops out. This lockable keeper clamps the handle tight and prevents theft. And to lock that high-lift jack, you could use these MAXTRAX locks. I secure my Roman case, my traction boards, everything I've got on the outside with these things, and they're waterproof. These quick-release MOLLE panel mounts let you carry axes, shovels, tools securely and easy to remove. DV8 nailed the design on these. Personally, I think they're better than the Quick Fist, and the reason is because you've got to put a ratchet in behind the MOLLE panel, screw it on, and it's a little difficult. This one's simple but essential. Crack your windows in the rain, reduce wind noise, and keep the cab cooler. The clean OEM style deflectors look perfect on the 4th gen. And the cool part, all these mods were easy installs. Stuff you can do in under an hour each. Some in under 10 minutes. Let me know which of these mods you're adding next, and hit like so other Tacoma owners see this video. All Tacoma, all the time. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mountain Taco, out.